Introducing the FCX Clarity, Honda's next-generation fuel cell vehicle. Unlike gas-burning engines, this revolutionary hydrogen-powered car emits only clean water vapor. We see the FCX Clarity fuel cell vehicle as a real-world solution for reducing air pollution. Can you see it too? Change your life, not your shirt. Introducing a breakthrough for men. New Gillette Clinical Strength Antiperspirant. 34% better wetness protection than a prescription product. Gillette, the best a man can get. Here's a little heads up for your next McDonald's visit. You might hear this. Now, I thought someone was trying to tell me I had shaving cream by my ear, but it turned out the sound was someone opening up a bottled drink. They're new at McDonald's. They've got your Mountain Dew, Lipton green tea, and Gatorade, to name a few, all bottled up and ready to go. Faster than an elf on a candy cane sugar high working overtime on Christmas Eve. Introducing the fastest Pearl on the planet. The new BlackBerry Pearl is faster and sleeker than ever. Organize, email, and surf like never before on America's most reliable wireless network. Verizon Wireless. Great taste that's never watered down. Miller Lite. Good call.